Hello guys, welcome to Let's Sharp Our Brain YouTube channel. If you like this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updates of our channel. And join at our Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel is at our description. And in this topic we are going to discuss about Earth and its layers. If you want to get more information about this video, then you need to see the video till end and come to the topic. First, about Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to be harbor and support life. About 29.2% of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. The remaining 70.8% is covered with water, mostly by rivers, lakes, and other freshwater, seas, gulfs, and other saltwater bodies, which together contribute the hydrosphere. Much of the Earth's polar regions are covered in ice. Earth's outer layer is divided into several great tectonic plates that migrate across the surface over many millions of years, while its interior remains active with a solid inner core and liquid outer core and generates Earth's magnetic field and a concave mantle that is Earth planetoids. The Earth is divided into three main layers. First, crust, second, mantle, third, core. And come to the first topic, that is about crust. Earth crust is a thin shell of the outer side of the Earth, accounting of less than 1% of Earth volume. It is the top constituent of the lithosphere, a division of Earth layer that includes the crust and the upper part of mantle. The lithosphere is broken into tectonic plates, whose molten allows heat to escape from the interior of the Earth into space. The Earth crust lies on the top of mantle, a configuration that's stable because the upper mantle is made up of periodical, and so it is significantly more denser than the crust. The boundary between the crust and the mantle is conveniently placed in the Mohoric discontinuum, a boundary defined by a constant in seismic velocity. The Earth crust is discovered by Ingrid Lachmann in 1937. Distance from Earth's surface to Earth's crust is 6,371 kilometers, that is 3,958 miles. The facts of Earth's crust is the crust is deepest in the mountain areas, and the continental and ocean crusts are bounded to the mantle, which we spoke about earlier, and these forms are called the lithosphere. And next one is the breadth of lithosphere. There are a hotter part of mantle that is always moving, and the Earth crust is the thinnest layer of the Earth. And come to the next topic, that is about Earth mantle. Earth mantle is a layer of ciliatric rock between the crust and the outer core. Its mass of 4.01 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and thus make up 67% of the mass of the Earth. It has a thickness of 2,900 kilometers, that is 1,800 miles, making up about 84% of the Earth volume is periodically solid, but on geological timescales it behaves as a vesicular, sometimes described as having the consistency of caramel. Particle melting of mantle at the mid-ocean region produces oceanic crust, and the particle melting of the mantle at subduction zones produce continental crust. And Earth mantle is discovered by Andrzej Mohorovic in 1936. The distance of Earth mantle to Earth surface is about 100 km, that is 62 miles, and 410 kilometers to 25 miles. This is about the Earth mantle. And come to the start topic, that is Earth core. Earth inner core is the innermost geologic layer of the planet Earth, and primarily a solid body with a radius of 1,200 km, that is 760 miles, which is about 20% of Earth radius and or 70% of the moon radius. The inner core is believed to be composed of an iron nickel alloy with some other metals, and Earth core is made up of loose metallic crust on and mantle. The core is mostly a shell of metal, scientifically iron and nickel. The shorthand used of the core iron and nickel alloys simply the elements chemical symbols NiFe. Elements that dissolves in iron called periodic are also found in the core. There is three main sources of the heat in the Earth core is the heat when the planet formed astronomical, which is not yet been lost, and second one frictional heating caused by the denser core material sinking the center of the planet, and third one earth from the decay of radioactive elements. And 5 facts about earth core is it is almost the size of moon. The earth inner core is suspiciously large, measuring 2440 kilometers, that is 1516 miles. And second fact is it is hot, and third fact is it is mostly made up of iron, and third fact is it spins faster than the surface of earth, and fifth fact is it creates a magnetic field. The distance from earth core and earth surface is 2900 kilometers, that is 1802 kilometers, and earth core is discovered by Langel Hammam. This is about the topic. I think all of you got more information about this video. Then you please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updates of our channel, and join at our Telegram channel. The link of that is in description. Thanks for watching. Thank you.